Hey guys, it's JSHDIY and welcome back to another video. I'm sorry if my voice is kind of scratchy. I'm actually homesick today because I have like a really bad sore throat. But I just wanted to start off this video by showing you guys 3 of the Notification Squad members of the video. And I got like a bunch of comments in my last video saying to actually say their names. So the first one is DIY Queens NB, Van D01, Vid Art High, and Milsey. I'm sorry if I'm saying that word wrong. Go ahead and join the squad by hitting the subscribe button, and then you'll be part of Subby Squad, and then hit the bell to be part of the Notification Squad too. This is your first time seeing one of my videos. Welcome to my channel. Tell everybody in the comments you're new here because my Subby Squad will totally welcome you. So let's get on with the video. So starting off in my bowl, I add in 2 tablespoons of my soap. Now please note you guys that not all soaps work, but this Suave Coconut Shampoo works really well, so I recommend buying this one if you want to make this slime. So now add in about an even ratio of shaving foam. If you need to, add a little bit more so that it's more fluffy. Now stir it up until it's well combined. After well combined, add in your salt. Basically, salt acts as your activator. When you mix it up, you'll notice that it clumps together. Upon request, because in my last video I got like 100 requests to actually take the slime out because you guys didn't believe me that it worked, I will take out this slime so you guys can see that it is just like regular fluffy slime. And you could poke it like regular slime and even make a perfect swirl just like regular fluffy slime. I just wanted to take this moment to thank you guys so much for joining me on this video. And if you enjoyed it, you should watch my old videos because I think you'll like those too. And stay tuned for my next video where I show you guys how to make clear slime without glue, soap, and tapioca. So thank you guys for watching and make sure to watch more. Bye!